Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this salmon and capers pasta. Let's get started! First, let's slice the salmon. And cut it into bite size. Boil some water and add a tablespoon of salt. And cook the pasta according to packaging. While the pasta is cooking, heat up the pan and add a tablespoon of olive oil. Add the onion and saute this for 1 minute. Add the salmon and stir fry for 2 minutes. And add the capers. Mix it well. Add the pasta. And add 1/4 cup of salty water we used to boil the pasta. And season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. And it's done! Garnish this with dried or fresh dill. Squeeze some lemon on it. And enjoy this delicious salmon and capers pasta. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!